Bless you. I thought there was one more coming. Are you going to show us how you play with your toy?
I'm tired now.
I know. I jinxed myself when I said this one's getting saved. Hey. She has so many expressions, I know. Are you tired now?
No more push-ups or no more sit-ups?
One more smile. Can I get her smile one more time? Okay, Mommy will try. Hello, hi.
You suck.